You understood the first problem. In the first problem, we prepared continuous frequency distribution table using exclusive type of class intervals. But the class width is not given. But in this sum, problem 2, prepare a frequency distribution table with an interval of 10 marks each. With an interval of 10 marks each. Width is given. Each using inclusive type of class intervals regarding marks of 30 students. Here first what you have to do is in the solution, you have to find the range. Range you have to find out. The range formula is highest value minus lowest value. What is the highest value among the 30 values? 69 is the highest value. 69. And what about the least value? 12 is the least value. 69 minus 12 is 9 minus 2 is 7, 6 minus 1 is 5. 57 is the range. And also in this sum, width is given. Width of the class interval is 10. And we have to find the number of classes. If width is not known, unknown on the time, you have to apply the Strux formula to find out the number of classes. But here width is given. Here the formula is range by width of the class interval. Range by width of the class interval. Range is equal to 57. Width is 10. Approximately you may get 6 classes. 57 by 10 is nothing but 5.7. It is closer to 6. You may get the number of classes is 6. Okay, but here in the first problem, we prepare the continuous frequency distribution. There, the upper limit of the first class is same as the lower limit of the next class. But here we have to prepare the continuous, inclusive type of class intervals. Okay, for this one, how to prepare the inclusive type of class intervals? First, classes. Next one is tallies. Next one is frequencies. Okay. Why we have to write the range according to the lowest value? We have to start with the class, first class. The lowest value is 12. You can start from 10. The width is how much? 10. 10 plus 10, 20. But it is the inclusive type of class interval. You should take one less. That is nothing but 19. Next, here you have to write 20 to 29. Next, 30, 30 to 39. Next, 40, 40 to 49. Next, 50 to 59. Next, 60 to 69. Here you have to keep in mind the highest value is 69. In that, up to that you have to write the class. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of classes is 6 here. Now we have to put the tallies. You know how to put the tallies, but in the exclusive type of class interval, here 20, here 20 is there. You are marking the tally for the next class. The reason is here we are excluding the upper limit. Why? Because that is exclusive type of class intervals. But here it is inclusive type of class intervals. We have to including the upper limit. That's why here the upper limit of the first class is not same as the lower limit of the next class. There is a one gap between the classes. continuity between the classes. That's why here we have to include the upper limit. Now you have to start the tally marks. The first value is 37. 37 lies in between 30 to 39. Next, 49. Next, 54, 51. 54 here, 51 is also here. Next, 37. Next, 15. Next, 12. Next, 33. Next, 23. Next, 25. Next, 18. Next, 35, 33. 35, 33. After 4 tallies, the fifth tally you have to put the cross mark. Next, 42, 45. 42, 45. Next, 55. Next, 69. Here upper limit is included. Next, 63. Next, 46. Next, 29. Next, 18. Next, 37. Next, 46. After 4 tallies, you have to put the cross mark for the fifth tally. Next, 59. Next, 29. Next, 35. Next, 27. Next, 45. 47. Both 45 and 47. Next, last one is 65. Now you have to count. You have to count the tallies and write as a frequencies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. The cross one is fifth one. It is the bulk of 5. Next, 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 1, 2, 3. Now you have to count. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. 21 plus 5 is 26. 26 plus 4 is 30. Okay, this is the 5 marks worth. They will allot for tallies for 2 marks and the frequencies for 2 marks. 2 plus 2 is 4 marks. The last mark is you have to write the suitable heading. Here it is the marks of the 30 students. Okay, distribution of marks. Distribution of marks of 30 students. It is inclusive type of class intervals. This tallies contains 2 marks. Next, this frequencies contains 2 marks. The total, the suitable heading contains 1 mark. This is the total worth of 5 marks. For section E starts from 41st question. It is the definite question for the 5 marks. In the first problem, we prepared the continuous frequency distribution table by using exclusive type of class intervals. In the second problem, we discussed preparation of continuous frequency distribution table by using inclusive type of class intervals. The first problem, width is not given. The second problem, width is given. You observe the third problem. Following is the data regarding IQ of 30 children of a school. Prepare a frequency distribution table with class intervals less than or equal to 90, 90 to 110, 110 to 120, more than or equal to 120. Here they given a clue. You have to prepare a class interval in this manner. Okay. In the solution, you have to find the range. It is not necessary, but you have to find out the range, the highest value minus lowest value. What is the highest value? You see, 120, 139 is the highest value. Next, what should be the lowest value? If you observe among the data, 65 is the lowest value. The range is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4, 13 minus 6 is 7. Range is 74. But it is not necessary to find out range for this problem. Why? Because the classes are given directly. In this manner only we have to prepare the classes. Classes, Alice, frequencies. Okay. The first class interval should be less than or equal to 90. Next one is 19 to 110. Next one is 110 to 120. Next one is more than or equal to 120. Okay. Observe here. The first value 106. The 106 here. Next 118 here. 112 here. 120 more than or equal to 120. That means equal means we have to consider here 120. Next 103. Next 105. Next 99. Next 139. Next 65. Below 90. Next 113. Next 108. After 4 tallies, the fifth tally you have to cross. Next 116. Next 93. Next 100. Next 120 more than or equal to 120. Next 100. Next 108 here. 112 here. Next 110. 110 it is the exclusive type. Upper limit we should not consider. 110 you have to put here. Next 109. Next 117. Next 98 here. 103 here. Next 99 here. Next 110. It is the exclusive. You have to put here 110. Next 95. Next 101, after 4 tallies you have to put tally, cross mark. Next 105, next 98, next 100. All the tallies you have to count it and write in the form of frequency. It is 1. Next 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 5 plus 3 is 8. Next one is 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 1 is 20. 2 plus 1 is 30. If you observe this data, the total number of values is 30. For this one, you have to write the heading. Here, how to write the heading? The data is regarding what? IQ of children. Here, distribution of IQ of 30 children of a school. The heading contains 1 mark. The tallies contain 2 marks. The respective frequencies contains 2 marks. Total is 5 marks. After understanding the first 3 problems, fourth problem, I will explain the question. You have to do it yourself. The problem 4. From the following data of the hourly wages of workers employed in a certain factory, construct a frequency distribution table with classes 40 to 49, 50 to 59, and so on. That means, 40 to 49, this is the upper limit of the first class, is not same as the lower limit of the next class. If it is same, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, if it is them, that is exclusive type of class intervals. Now there is a one gap between the 2 classes, that is 40 to 49. Next class is 50 to 59. That's why it is the inclusive type of class intervals. You have to understand like that. Okay, now you have to prepare the inclusive classes and so on. And so on means according to the range of the highest value, you have to write the classes up to that highest value. Okay, now in the solution, range highest value minus lowest value. Come on, search what is the highest value. The highest value 115. 115 is the highest value. What is the lowest value? 42, 41, 40 is there. See any 30s values is there? The 40 is the lowest value. 115 minus 40. 5 minus 0 is 5. 1. 11 minus 4 is 7. Next one is 0. That means 75 plus 40 is 115. That is the range. According to the highest and lowest value, here width is not necessary. Why? Because they given the clue. You have to prepare the inclusive type of class intervals. Here classes, tallies, frequencies. Here you have to start the classes 40 to 49, 50 to 59 and so on. That means according to the highest value you have to write the classes 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99, 100 to 109, 110 to 119. Here, how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 fives are 60. The capital N, you have to get it. The total frequency is 12 fives are 60. 60, you have to get it. Now, you have to put tallies your own. Here, the upper limit is included and count the tallies and you have to write in the form of frequencies. Total, you have to get 60. That is the total frequency. So the sum of the frequencies is nothing but capital N. Okay, that you practice. That is the fourth sum.